Hi there, Jack Huang from RosterElf here. Today we'll look at how to assign pay rates to salary staff so your roster stays on budget and payroll exports run smoothly. How to select salary staff for pay rate assignment. Click the Staff tab in the top menu to open your staff list. This quickly brings up every employee, ready for editing. Select the staff member you need to update. For instance, tap Amelia to open her profile. How to enter payroll details for salary staff. Open the Payroll tab inside the staff card. This is where all pay settings live. Set type of employment to fixed salary. This tells RosterElf the employee is paid a set amount each year. How to set salary, hours, and pay items. Enter the annual salary and standard hours agreed in the contract. Example, $70,000 and 40 weekly hours. Choose the correct Xero pay item or type the pay item used in your payroll software. This ensures the export matches your ledger. Add standard hours for each day along with the usual site and position. RosterElf will use these hours to pre-fill the roster. How to enable auto roster for salary staff. Tick automatic add shifts to the roster. Their standard hours now appear on every weekly roster automatically. Save your changes. Your salary staff are now set up and ready for smooth payroll runs. How to recognize salary staff on the roster. Look for the green dollar symbol on each shift. This instantly tells managers the employee is salaried. Thanks for watching. Remember, our support team is always here if you need a hand. Happy rostering, and I'll see you next time.